Hello, little stars. Welcome back to Tiny Talk Time. I'm Miss Lily, and today we have something special. We're having a picnic day with friends where we will review the week's vocabulary together. And, of course, I'm here with my curious helper, Leo. Hello, Leo.
Hi, Miss Lily. I'm so happy to be here. I can't wait for the picnic and to talk with friends and practice our English.
That's wonderful, Leo. Today, we're at a sunny meadow under a big tree on our picnic blanket. We'll meet friends, talk about what we learned this week, and use our English words again. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great! Let's begin by laying out our picnic items and naming them in English. Look at this. We have a blanket, a basket, and sandwiches. Leo, can you repeat after me? Blanket, basket, sandwiches.
Blanket, basket, sandwiches.
Excellent. And what about the drinks? We have juice and water. Repeat, juice, water.
Juice, water.
Wonderful. Now, I see our friends arriving. First comes our friend Mia with her ball. Can you say ball?
Ball.
Very good. And next is Sam with his kite. Let's say kite.
Kite.
Perfect. Now, let's review the verbs we learned earlier this week. Run, jump, fly, sit, eat. Leo, can you use one of those verbs in a sentence about our picnic?
I run to catch the ball.
Fantastic! And you could say, I jump high on the grass, or the kite flies in the sky. Want to try?
The kite flies in the sky.
Beautiful! Now, our friends Mia and Sam want to play. Mia says, "May I play with you?" Leo, can you respond using yes, please, or no, thank you?
Yes, please.
Excellent! That's polite and friendly. Good job. Now I want you both to practice greeting your friends. Hello, Mia. Hello, Sam. How are you today? And then they respond, I'm fine, thank you.
Hello, Mia. Hello, Sam. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you.
Wonderful. You did great, Leo. And our little learners at home, can you say it too?
Hello, Mia. Hello, Sam. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you.
Very nice. Now, let's move to a fun little game. I spy the picnic object. I'll say, I spy with my little eye something red. Leo, what object do you see that's red?
I spy the basket.
Yes, the basket is red. Good job. Now another. I spy something round. Leo.
The ball.
Correct. And now I spy something that flies.
The kite.
Perfect. You're very observant today. Great work. Now, let's review our vocabulary one more time. Blanket, basket, sandwiches, juice, water, ball, kite, run, jump, fly, sit, eat. Together with me now. Blanket, basket, sandwiches, juice, water, ball, kite, run, jump, fly, sit, eat.
Blanket, basket, sandwiches, juice, water, ball, kite, run, jump, fly, sit, eat.
Fantastic! This is exactly what our picnic day is all about. Having fun, playing, talking with friends, and learning English at the same time. Now, before we finish, I want you to tell me one sentence in English about what you're doing at the picnic. Leo?
I eat sandwiches and drink juice while I sit on the blanket.
Beautiful. And now you at home, try to say, I play with a ball and fly my kite. Repeat after me. I play with a ball and fly my kite.
I play with the ball and fly my kite.
Excellent. And remember, when you use English in everyday fun activities like this picnic, it becomes real and easy. You're using what you learn and making memories with it.
I love this picnic day, Miss Lily. It's so fun to learn with friends.
I'm happy you love it, Leo. And to all our little learners listening, thank you for joining us in this week's Review Picnic episode. Thank you for working hard, laughing, and playing. You're amazing.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time for a new adventure with Miss Lily.
Goodbye, little stars. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, every